Today I'm going to show you how you can create a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorial videos like this. So in order to make presentation, first of all, you have to click on start and then you have to open up this PowerPoint application in your PC. So after you open up this application, you will see a pop-up like this. You have to click on this blank presentation. And here guys, you will get a slide in your first page. So first of all, in order to create the first slide of your presentation, you have to select a design for your presentation or slide. For that, you have to go to this design tab. And here you will see a bunch of designs which you can choose from. There's many different layouts, many designs available for your slides. You can choose any of that. There are many designs available. You can choose any of them based on your preference. For example, I'm choosing this design here. So this will be my first slide of this presentation. So now I have chosen the design. The next step is to add a title for your presentation. So for example, I'm creating a presentation on business management. So I will write business management presentation as a heading. So here guys, I have added a title, but you can also change the font style of this title. Let's go for this Algerian. And also you can also increase the size of your title here. Let's go for this one here. Looks cool. And also let's do one thing. Let's place this heading a little bit here. And now I'm going to add a subtitle here. You can also write your name. For example, made by, this presentation is made by, you can choose your name. I'm choosing any name here. Let's go for any name. And let's bold this up here. Select this text and click on B. It will bold your text, or you can also underline it. Or let's increase the size of this a little bit and let's choose a darker. Here we go. So now guys, we have added the subtitle as this name here. I will place it anywhere on the slide here. So guys, I have created my first slide of this presentation in which I have written the name of the presentation. And now I'm going to make a second slide. So in order to add a slide to your presentation, first of all, you have to click on this insert option. Here you will see an option new slide, or you can also go for this home button, and also here you will find this new slide option, or you can also click on Control M to open up this slide. So here you can choose a different slides layouts based on your need. For example, if you want to select a slide which only shows the title, you will go for this title only slide. Or if you want to add some content to your slide, you can go for this title and content. And if you want to add some pictures, paragraphs, line graphs, pie charts, or tables, you can go for this content slides here. I'm choosing this title and content. So now guys, I've created a different slide here. And now I'm going to choose the title for your slide. For this slide, let's go for introduction. So guys, one thing you must have noticed that when I created a new slide, it copies the same design to that of the first slide. This means that if you select a design for your first slide, it will copy that design and use that for every slide in the presentation. So in this way, guys, you can select the designs, and also let's go for this title here. Let's select a different color. You can also choose any color you want. Let's go for this red color here, and let's also change a different font. Let's go for this Arial black. So guys, I have chosen the heading. So now I'm going to add some text, and I will also show you how to add bullet points. For example, here I have added this text here of different points in this slide. So now I'm going to add some bullet points. So to do that, first of all, you have to select this text, and then you have to click on this bullet icon. Click on that, and here you will see different types of bullet points that you can choose. For example, I'm choosing this bullet point here. It also matches up with this design. So here guys, I have chosen a bullet point. You can also add numbering. You just have to go to this icon, and here you will see a different numbering here, 1 2 3 ABC, or you can go for this Roman. You can select any of that. Let's go for this one here. Or you can also choose different text line layouts. For example, you can choose this one. So you can choose any of that based on your preference. So guys, I have selected this design here. So now guys, I have selected this second slide. So now I'm going to show you how you can select a picture or create a picture in the next slide. So for that, let's create a new slide here. Guys, so one more thing guys, you can also change the design color. For that, you have to go to the design tab here, and then you can choose different colors for your design. There are many options available, or you can also go for these colors, and here you can choose a lot of colors from here. For example, I am choosing violet color here. Let's go for that, and it will change the color of the design for each of your slides. So now let's create a different slide. Let's go for the next slide here. I'm creating this slide here to content slide. Let's go for it, and let's select any title. Let's go for the anything body, and here I'm choosing the text. So let's copy the initial text here, and let's remove this one bullet point here. So now guys, I have added some text in this column here. So now I'm going to add some picture or table, anything like that. So let's go for a picture here. You can add anything. You can add tables, you can add the smart art graphics, or you can insert an icon. You can go for pictures. You can also add the stock images, or you can also add any chart like line chart, bar chart, pie chart, so anything like that. So for here in this example, I'm choosing a picture. If you have a picture already saved in your computer device, you can choose any picture here. Let's go for anything. Let's go for this one here. For example, I'm choosing this picture here, and you can also increase the size of this text. Let's increase the size a little bit more. Let's increase the size a little bit. Here we go. Now I insert a picture here. So guys, in this way you can insert a picture in your slide. So I will also show you how to insert a table or pie chart or different types of charts, and how to adjust that or position that in your slide in the next videos. So do not miss those videos. So guys, now I'm going to create a next slide here for thank you. Let's do that. One more thing guys, you can also color your design here. For that, you have to first of all select the slide, and then you have to right click on this slide here, and then you have to go to this format background, and here you will see different options. Solid fill, we have chosen the solid fill here, and you can also go for this gradient fill, and you can see I have added the gradient to this design. You can choose any color for your gradient. I'm choosing this one here. Or you can also choose the picture fill or pattern fill here. You can choose different patterns. There are a lot of options available here. You can choose any of that. And you can also choose different color for your pattern. Or you can also add some background to that. So in this way, guys, you can choose any of these patterns and add background colors and match more. Let's close this pop-up here. And here we go, guys. I have created 3 slides here. Let's create one more slide of thank you. So for that, I am choosing this title only slide because I'm only writing the title here. So I will go for thank you. Let's choose a good font for that, and let's also increase the size to 96, and you can also rotate it. Just place it in the middle, and then you can rotate it anywhere. In this way, guys, I have created 4 slides here. Now I'm going to show you how to slideshow your presentation. For example, if you have to display your presentation in front of the people, you have to create a slideshow. For that, you have to go to this slideshow option, And here you will see an option from the beginning. So it will show the presentation from the beginning, that is from the first slide. Click on this option, and here guys you can navigate through your slide here. This is the page 1, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and slide 4. And it will cover the whole screen of your computer. Or you can also go for this current slide. For example, I choose this slide here. Click on this current slide and it will only show you the current slide, or you can go back and forth. So in this way, you can create a slideshow. So guys, in this way, you can create a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you like my video. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of my future videos. So thank you for watching.